In today's video, we're gonna take a look at what Orca has to offer and their great line of accessories for your next audio production. So stay tuned. Hey guys, this is Hassan and thank you for coming back to yet another video where I'm going to show you guys the best equipment, the best technology to make your life just a little bit easier. So let's get started. So a couple of months ago, I did a review of this amazing bag that can handle and they can hold all your accessories and all your audio equipment without any trouble. This is a must-have for any audio junkie or for anyone who wishes to organize their stuff and have everything accessible at all time. I have been doing field audio recording for quite a while, and before I used to have one bag, throw everything in there and just kind of just go with it as I needed. But after looking at the Orca bag, this one just felt at home. I have everything that I need right in here. And when I go out, the only thing that is missing from this setup, it's my Zoom F4 that I'm actually recording my audio to. I will place it inside and it will complete this kit. There was one caveat to this. Before, I used to put my boom pole right here and it would take a lot of space. It was not safe. I had my boom pole scratched so many times and had to go through so many of them just because they were damaged due to weather, due to anything you could throw at it. And I was looking for something to protect my boom pole, and then this is where Orca came in play, and they contacted me and they informed me about their new Orca boom pole bag. This is the OR-430 and truly this thing is a life changer. Now this is the smaller version because of my boom pole size, but they have this amazing bag in different size that can fit your boom pole the way that you want it depending on your size. So first and foremost, the quality. The quality of this bag is just like any Orca's bag. This is made well, this is tough. There is no way you could squeeze it, and I have tried. The way they built these bags is just outstanding. This will protect your item for sure. One thing that I like is that they have this strap right here that you could carry your boom pole on your shoulder, or if you don't want to use this, you could just simply remove it and just add this to your main bag, or just hold it by hand, which makes it easy. Again, right in the front, we have the 3D printed Orca name and a bag right here, which looks amazing with that black and blue coloring. This is truly a masterpiece. And on the back of it, we have the model number. This is again the OR-430. And oh my God, this thing is compact. And by compact, by no means I have a small boom pole. So let's get inside and let's see what we have inside. So as you can see, the zippers are really built premium and they sound amazing. Check this out when I open it. So this is by no means a cheap zipper that is gonna rip over time, and they have warranty. So if anything happens to this, they got you covered, and this thing is awesome. So upon opening this amazing bag, you see that I have my boom pole right in here. They have two straps, which is amazing. That keeps your boom pole nice and tucked in right here. This is my first boom pole, and this is the second part of my boom pole. Now, depending on your boom pole, you're gonna have a different fit. So the best thing is to measure your boom pole and go in their website and find out which size you need. But this is it. Look at this boom pole. This thing fitted inside of here. And this boom pole, it is actually really, really long. So, oh my God, look at this. This thing just fits inside of there like a glove. Now going inside, this is what inside of this bag looks like. First of all, just like every product that you get from Orca, it has been tested, and they have a little tag right here that is handwritten right inside the date that it was manufactured, the order number, the model number. So this is awesome for your reference. And like I mentioned, the fact that it's handwritten, it's not printed, it just makes me feel so good when I know that someone actually put this together. It's not just machine made. Somebody actually looked at it, looked at the detail and everything on. So right inside we have one padding with kind of a mesh right here that you could have your stuff, your cable, or if you have anything right in here tucked in, that will keep it protected, keep it from wobbling. And in the other side of it, and this is all velcroed in, so this goes inside. And in the other side of this amazing bag, we have the actual straps for your boom pole. Now the way that I have it is I have my boom poles and I just kind of spread them apart. Again, depending on your boom pole, you need different size. And I just slide them in and that's it. Look at that. You tie them in. Keep it nice and steady, tucked in. Now, if you want to step up your game and you want to include a couple more items right here, well, you got room for it. How clean this thing looks and feels. By no means this is a cheap bag. This is something that will last you forever and can solve all of your problem of your boom pole getting damaged. Now, I don't know about you, but my boom pole cost a bit of money. And although inside their bags, they have a strap right in the front that you could easily place your boom pole in and have it nice and secure. So to me, this is how I have my boom pole, just like this as I go out for recording. So I make sure that everything that I want and everything that I need is right at reach. But when it comes to traveling, I can't trust this. I can't leave my expensive boom pole just right here, having it getting scratched, having it get damaged. So the way that I do it, I go recording. When I come back, I take it out. Simple as that. Strap these back together, put this inside of my bag, secure or carry it with me, and I just open this boom pole package and simply place it in. Now again, if you have a long boom pole and it's not gonna go inside as one piece, no worries, because this thing has so much space despite its compact size that is actually really surprising. So I place them on top of each other, and some of you gonna say that this is gonna scratch your boom pole. Well, no, because of these rubber thing, they separate them from each other, and this is not gonna get scratched at all. But if you wanna take a measurement of protection and you want to make sure it doesn't get damaged, simply take this off, place it between them, and that would just do the trick. So then you can just simply zip it up. That's it. Your boom pole is now protected in this rugged case. For the price that they're asking, I think it's a must-have. If you are a recorder and if you are someone who's on the field and who goes out all the time, I highly recommend this item. Again, this is the OR-430, and I highly personally recommend their product. And I hope you guys liked it. For you guys out there, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this item, and what do you guys use right now? I'm really curious to find out what bags do you use for your boom pole. And if you are considering to buy a bag for your boom pole, this is what I highly recommend to you guys, and I hope you guys liked it. So as always, stay happy, stay classy, and stay beautiful. I'll check you guys on the next one.